euchromatin and heterochromatin. By staining the chromosomes, different regions on the chromosomes can be identified. Different chemical techniques has been invented that are used to stain the chromosomes, and different regions or different bands on the chromosomes can be studied according to the techniques which is used. Dark bands are usually found at the ends of the chromosomes as well as in the middle of the chromosome where centromere is located. Dark bands, they are called as heterochromatin. While on the other hand, light bands, after staining the chromosome, when we observe light bands or light stains, those bands are called as euchromatin. Heterochromatin is divided into two types. One is called as constitutive heterochromatin and second one is called as facultative heterochromatin. Constitutive heterochromatin is that chromatin that remains in its phase throughout the life of an organism. This type of the heterochromatin do not revert back into the euchromatin. While in case of facultative heterochromatin, this is the type of the heterochromatin that can revert back into the euchromatin phase. Here we can see both types of the chromatin. Heterochromatin, which is in a compact form, while euchromatin, that is in a relaxed form. Heterochromatin and euchromatin can be changed from hetero into eu and eu into heterochromatin. Euchromatin can be changed into heterochromatin by the process which is called as histone modification, histone deacylation, as well as core repressive complexes. So these are the methods that can change euchromatin into heterochromatin. While on the other hand, heterochromatin can be changed into the euchromatin. How heterochromatin is changed into euchromatin? There are different methods, like if there is loss of H1 protein, there is histone modifications like acetylation, phosphorylation, as well as methylation. These are the methods by which heterochromatin can be changed into the euchromatin. We can conclude that chromatin is of two types, euchromatin and heterochromatin. Again, the heterochromatin is also have two types, facultative heterochromatin and constitutive heterochromatin.